it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am reviewing this product here, which is the Monaco Home brand 3-pack vacuum storage bags. So I purchased these from the Reject Shop in Australia and they were $7. So backstory, I purchased an item that needed to be returned via post. And it was quite a large item that did come vacuum sealed, and the company said, can you send it back in the original box? I tried for so long to try and get the item back in the box. It was not working, so I had this idea that it came vacuum sealed, but I don't have anything, so I'm gonna purchase some vacuum seal bags and send it back that way. Unfortunately, the item was so big it didn't even fit in the largest size. So because it didn't even fit, I didn't even get to test it properly. So I thought I'm gonna test this with you guys today. So this does come with the 3 sizes, as I said, which are 80 by 100 centimeters, 60 by 80 centimeters, and 45 times 60 centimeters. The Reject Shop did have quite a few different options in regards to sizing. So you could have bought this 3-pack, or they had packs of 1 large size, 1 medium size, etc. But this, I just wanted the biggest I could find. There's also many different places you can purchase these, and you know, the pricing is all over the place. So what they look like is basically just a plastic bag. This is all it is. This one is the smallest one. They basically have a seal up the top here. So it's just one of like a sandwich bag seal, I would say. And that's what it looks like. And then basically you can just swipe this clip across and then it will seal it. You put your vacuum, you take this off, sorry, we're learning together. You take this off, you basically use your vacuum and then put this cap back on. So, I mean, looking at the pictures, look at the difference between that and that. It really creates so much room, and I know a lot of people actually do use these for their wardrobe. So say if winter is finishing, they'll chuck all their winter clothes in these bags and store them until next winter, which is a good idea. I totally do get it. So what I want to do today, I'm going to do a linen cupboard tidy up. So I have this spare king size doona, which I was going to take out of the bag again and show you putting it in, but I'm sure you guys understand what putting something in a bag is. So yeah, I have a spare doona and I thought this is the perfect opportunity to store this in one of these bags and see what happens. So it is quite puffy, as you can see, it is massive. So I thought, let's see what happens. All right, so I'm using a Dyson plug-in vacuum, which I'll put here. So I'm excited to see. So we will undo this. Keep it close because you do need to put it on quite quick. Now for reference again, this is how wide it is, quite large. I do feel like the opening of my vacuum is it doesn't really cover, so I'm interested to see how that goes. All right, let's try. I kind of wasn't expecting it. This is so compact now. Now I'm questioning it. Is it suitable to store items like this long term? Oh my god. Like, this was super puffy, so I understand why it's so like jagged and stuff. But if you just have things neatly folded, this is so incredible. And honestly, I reckon that's half of the space. It's very solid as well. Wow. I'm actually kind of impressed because I thought the reject shop ones might not be that effective, but honestly guys, if you're looking for vacuum seal bags at the moment, because we are in lockdown, I was going to click and collect some, but because I wanted to send back this item I purchased quite quickly, I just wanted something I could literally go and purchase, and luckily enough, the reject shop in my area is still open. And yeah, thank God they had these. So yeah, again, these are quite amazing. If you use these, let me know. Let me know if you've had any issues storing things long term. It does say on the box to obviously make sure things are dry. You don't want to be storing anything wet in there because it will just create like mold and mildew, and obviously you don't want that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.